Alright, next it's time to install the deadbolt, and when you guys install it, just make sure that you install it in the right way up. Because if you notice this up position, make sure you install it the way. So this is up. So it's like this, not with the up down. You want up with up to avoid making a mistake. And this is like a Kone button or something like that, like a Kone elevator button. I go with a separate video of that. Next, you're gonna install your deadbolt. So notice how the deadbolt comes like this. I'll do a complete detailed look of this deadbolt in some other video. But now it's the installation project. So you're gonna insert this like this, and you're gonna match this slot into that hole right there. Notice the position like that. Then you're gonna turn it in to the way it needs to be, just like that. Then you're gonna, oops, I think I'm gonna put it the other way. You're gonna insert the deadbolt like that through the slot of the, oops, what's going on? Hold on a second. Alright, you're gonna insert it like that. Then you're gonna turn the deadbolt the way it needs to be. You're gonna push it shut inside. Now it's time to install the interior part of the deadbolt. So you're going to take this and you're gonna align this with the deadbolt shaft like that until it goes inside. What the screws you have to turn it. Then you have to match the screws where they need to go. This doesn't go like that. So this goes the other way around actually. So we're gonna take it out and flip it the other way. And with this screw, you can insert the screws where they need to go and tighten them up. The Phillips screwdriver, like you see here. I'll do them off camera. Alright, I saved the memory. Right, I'm gonna tighten up the other one just so you guys see how you're supposed to do it. So just take a screwdriver and you're gonna tighten the deadbolt screws until they're fully secured. And the other side too, I forgot to tighten it up more. And that's it. Fully working doorknob and deadbolt with Defiant doorknob and deadbolt. Now it's time to test the keys. Alright, so how to take the deadbolt apart, because when I screwed it in, the screws wouldn't go all the way in. The deadbolt was sticking out like this instead of parallel. So when you insert it, just make sure that it's not like this, because these two are a little bit these two are wider. So make sure it's like this, not like this. Now let's test the key. Now let's unlock it. I'm going to unlock it. There it is. And that's going to be it for this installation project of a Defiant doorknob and deadbolt.